Hello kids and children, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video. In this video guys, you guys can see that there are Roma and Diana cartoons for children and kids, for the children and kids. And this Roma and Diana cartoons are very popular and popular day by day, become more popular. These two brother and sister are very beautiful and enjoy every event of life, and their parents also support them in every event of life. They always be happy and want to play more and more, and they also make people enjoy by their videos, by their plays and different things. I think cartoons are essential part of life of children and kids, and so I suggest you that watch the cartoons with the children and kids so that they enjoy more and more, and always protect children and kids from bad cartoons that give your children bad moral lessons, and try that your children is watching moral lessons, good moral lessons videos, cartoons. People which are new at my channel, I request you all to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. I hope that you and your children enjoy my all videos. If you want more videos of this type, so must visit my channel. There are about 4 videos of Diana and Roma cartoons, and I also make more videos of cartoons on daily basis. Cartoons are a source of information and learning for growing children. Your children learn many things from the cartoons, and always watch the positive cartoons with children so that your children get positive learning and very impressive and very good moral lessons.